everybody. Today we are going to start off with doing some scissor cutting. And we're going to do it starting with a square. Now, a square, as we saw last time, is kind of a basis for a lot of different shapes. If you're making an image like another robot, I'm going to make another robot today. I could start with a bunch of squares. I've got 2 big squares and 6 little squares. And I could do a lot with that. I could do the heads, I could do arms, and that's cool, I guess. I could make this the body and maybe cut it up and a hat. I could do that, but I think it would look much better if I had some other shapes besides just squares. So, I might take one of my small squares, and what do you think I could make this into? Let's try a rectangle, and I can fold it in half like this and make a rectangle. Oh, look, I've got a rectangle now. Now if I open it up, I need to cut it. Do you see a nice line which I could cut on to make a rectangle? Yeah, so I can just cut right on that line that I folded and 2 pieces to make a rectangle. Now I think that'd be really good arms. I'm going to use those as one of my arms. I'm going to give him another blue one. I'm going to make another rectangle. I'm going to fold these 2 corners and touch the corners. The corners are touching now. I hold it with one hand, pinch with the other, pinch, 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 pinch. Open it up. Got my line again. So I'm going to cut it on that line and make the other arm. Oh, that looks much better. Now, what would be a good shape? Another shape I could make out of this that I could fold. There's one other really good shape you can make, and that's we saw as our roof. A triangle. So I'm going to fold it in half. Crease, crease, crease. See how these 2 ends are touching? Those 2 points are touching. Open it up and yes! I've got my line! I'm gonna go cut right on that line from corner to corner. I ended up with 2 triangles. Maybe I'll make this as my robot's legs. Maybe I'll make it as his feet. There we go. Make it as his feet. And then I'll make 2 more rectangles to be the legs. Ha ha ha, that's kind of cute. Cute! I've still got 2 extra shapes, so I can decide what I want to do with this. Maybe I'll make... Ooh, I think I'll do triangles. So do I fold it this way to make a triangle? No. Or do I fold it this point to point? Just one point to the other point. Sometimes it takes a little maneuvering. Hold those points. Squish, 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 squish. Nice. Open it up. Cut it on the line. Ooh, you know what I think would be really cool? If I had even smaller triangles. What? No way. Let's try. How could I make even smaller triangles out of this? What if I folded this corner to that corner? Oh, yeah. Look, I made another triangle. Let's see how I did that again. I had my bigger triangle. I took this corner and put them together and made a smaller triangle. I open it up and I can cut on that line. Put these up here. Sweet. And I still have this big triangle that I can put on the top of his head. And now I've still got 1 big square. Now I can just not use this and say I'm done. Or I can try to make it, I'll make some rectangles out of this. Fold it, open, cut, 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 cut. So now I've got 2 big rectangles. Oh, what if I want some smaller squares out of this? I could fold it, my rectangle, take the top and the bottom and fold it in half. I could make a really nice square like that. Open it up, See how I've got that line now? And now I've got 2 squares. Boom, boom. Maybe I'll put those there. And this one, I think I want some skinny rectangles, even skinnier. What if I take this side and touch it to this side? Let's see what's gonna happen. Ooh, skinny, skinny, winny rectangles. Look, I've got a line down the middle this way now. Notice I'm always trying to make it match up. I'm not folding like that, am I? Ooh, that's messy. Try to do your best. It's really hard to fold, so you just do your bestest job. And now I've got 2 little ones, and so maybe I'll make that into another set of arms. Now that I'm done, I'm going to start gluing. Bloop, and do dot, 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 3 dots. Some you might need 3, some you might need 2, and just start gluing all of your shapes down. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2, and just keep on going. Glue, glue, glue all of them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to keep on gluing. It's going to be your turn. Get started.